Viewers, welcome to my channel Traveling and Learning. This is the technical part of my channel. It contains videos and documentaries on research and statistics. In this documentary, I will talk about the types of hypotheses. It is in continuation to my previous documentary on what is hypothesis and how to test hypotheses. So actually we have two types of hypotheses, that is the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. So the null hypothesis is that hypothesis in which there is no relationship between the variables of interest and there is no difference among the group. While the alternative hypothesis is that hypothesis in which uh, there is a relationship between the variable of interest and there is a difference among the groups. So all the statistical tests have both the alternative as well as uh, null hypothesis. So what are the differences between the null and alternative hypothesis? The first difference is that, as I already mentioned, is that the null hypothesis states that there is no relationship, while the alternative states that there is a relationship. Actually, it is inverse of the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis is that the researcher tried to disprove, whereas the alternative hypothesis the researcher want to prove. A null hypothesis represent no observed effect, whereas alternative hypothesis reflects some observed effect. If a null hypothesis is accepted, no changes will be made in the opinions or action. Conversely, if the alternative hypothesis is accepted, it will result in the changes in the opinions or action. The fifth, the difference. A null hypothesis refers to the population parameter. The testing is indirect and implicit. On the other hand, alternative hypothesis indicates sample statistic, whereas testing is direct and implicit.